Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to make your Instagram account private. So let's get started. And the difference between them is that if your account is public, anyone can see your profile, whether photos or videos. Whereas if it is private, only your followers can see your personal profile. So after getting the application, go to your personal profile, then tap on the menu up here. A list of options will appear, so choose Settings. After that, tap on Privacy. So as you see here, we have private account option, and to make your account private, simply turn it on. And like that, you make your account private. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.